Hello. Mapa-check up ni baby. Vaccination ni Carrie. Wawa man yan. Tutusukan ng baby namin. Tutusukan ng baby Carrie namin. Wawa man.
I want to buy a toy.
You're a good boy.
I want to buy a toy.
You're a good boy. So will be a good boy.
I want to buy a bag.
April 26, Wednesday. Hindi kami naka-arayos. Papacheck up din mo kami na mama sa vaccination ng kani sa Muyang Little Prince. So, may
Make sure his head's touching the end there. Hello, puppy. Oh, just on 56. Lovely. Okay.
hubadan pala niya.
For the weight. Yes, we have to have him down to his bare skin, don't we, darling? Hello. I know. There you go. There we go. Okay. Now we've got you there, sweetheart. Okay, lovely. 38.
38. Baka magwiwi.
Yes. One more. Beautiful. Lovely. Mommy's nappy and everything back on there. What are you wearing?
Tawa kami ng tawa. Tingnan nyo ang
Carrie.
ang attention niya on kibunso. Kaya ilinga na si Matua. Nakachinelas lang pala.
I'm just concerned because sometimes if I have a fast let down,
Yeah.
he coughs and then like choking.
Choke off.
Yeah, and then after that he'll get congested.
Good, just
So
really.
yeah,
Is it the first
is
one?
it normal?
This is
No,
first
this
one.
is the second one.
Second
This
one.
is the first time that I breastfed.
I have a look first. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll check everything
Right.
first.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's okay. Right? Sleeping
Yeah,
okay.
because the first one is
Oh.
formula, so
Oh,
this is the
right.
first time that I breastfed.
Formula? Breastfed. Your
No, the first one, my first son. Because
Oh.
this is my second.
second one. Okay.
Yeah.
So he's on a formula now, right?
No, he's
on breastfed.
breastfed, yeah.
Oh, breastfed. How's it going? Breastfeed good.
Yeah, everything's okay.
Good,
Everything's good.
good,
yeah.
good. So just check.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I carry him or just put it
No,
in
we'll
the
pop him down on the bed.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, we can fix up the red book
Yeah.
later. That's no problem at all. Hopefully. Now, if he spits a little bit out, it doesn't matter because it gets sort of absorbed by the lining of the mouth. Okay? Now, they tell me, Bubby, it's nice and sweet, but I've never had any, so I don't know. How are we doing? There we go. Yum, yum.
I think he likes it.
Yum.
Well, that went down quite nicely. I thought, sometimes because they go, a little bit comes out and they dribble a little bit out. And that doesn't, unfortunately, yes, it is 2 little needles, and your job, Mum, is to keep his hands occupied. I can handle the legs. He won't like us, and he will cry.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
I'm
what-
sorry, I can't do anything about that, but we'll be as quick as we can.
Oh.
I know, Bubby, I know.
You need it, baby.
I know.
Oh.
Oh, that's good.
Here we go.
Wow.
Now, where did it go? That's a little mark.
Not eating this one. This one.
There we are, that's right. There we go. There we are.
Ah.
That one. Yeah, that's fine. Lovely. Okay. Big cuddles. Records here. That goes off to the national database.
Have a good day.
Okay.
Oh, that's
Oh.
that's
Wow, yun. Yan, papuli na kami.
yay! Tapos na.
Tapos na ang check-up ni Carrie. Tapos na ang check-up ni